Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily menu lock on your Hyundai TV. So first go over to settings. Now here scroll down to system and go to parental, which is the parental control. Now here enter the pin. I think the default one is 0000. I think that was for me, but I don't know what it is for you. It can be without a pin, and then you will just need to set it up right here. But basically we have the menu lock right here, and as you guys can see, we can enable it to all menus, installation menu, or simply disable it. So this is basically what you guys can do. It's to protect your child, and that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.